Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the Rabbit Hutch Indoor-Outdoor Rabbit Cage, a versatile and convenient home for your furry friends. This bunny cage features an upgraded, deeper pull-out tray that prevents leaks, making cleaning a breeze, while the metal wire netting above the tray ensures your pets stay safe and secure. Designed with mobility in mind, the Hutch is equipped with 4 wheels, allowing you to effortlessly move it from indoors to outdoors, adapting to your pet's needs and your space. The openable roof and 2 front doors provide easy access for pet catching and cleaning, ensuring a hassle-free experience for both you and your pets. Constructed with a waterproof asphalt roof, this hutch is perfect for bunnies, guinea pigs, lizards, and other small animals, offering them a cozy and weather-resistant shelter. Plus, assembling this small animal cage is a straightforward task, thanks to the step-by-step instruction manual and pre-drilled holes, making it a fun project to tackle with a partner. So, if you're looking for a practical and comfortable home for your small animals, this rabbit hutch might just be the perfect solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.